Hey there. So this took a minute, but what I ended up working was actually drawing a center reference plane again, and then coming, where is it, over here and pinning it. So right now it's sort of shaded because I've already used it. And so what I noticed was happening was, even though I'd move it manually is fine, but as soon as we would connect it to a label, it would break the constraint and then everything would shift off center, I noticed. So I realized it was a center issue. So in the activation here, so if we just, if you want to delete this for a second, I'm going to unpin this. So what I did is create, and I just did another reference plane in the middle because it didn't seem like it was registering the one outside, the main one. And then you're going to select it and come over here and pin it so it doesn't move. And then I could come into align dimensions here, and I connected it to that one, equal, and then come over and do that. And when I did that, I could come and add the opening. So if I were to put 2 feet versus 1 foot, it's not working. Now it's working. So the next thing with the height, it's a little tricky, but you're actually gonna have to do it from the center of the circle, the way I show it. So what you're gonna do is grab another reference plane and put it at the center of the circle, like that. You can go to align to make sure that it's aligned to that, and then from there, you would grab this. And I know it's not a perfect height, but this is a good beginning on managing circles. And then I would use this for the height. So come over here and then grab that height. And so now you'll see that it will move together.